we will do the grouping of cell. Grouping of cell. Suppose two cells are connected in series. This is for first series grouping. Series grouping. Let EMF of this cell is E1, EMF of the another cell is E2, and internal resistance of this cell is R1, internal resistance of this cell is R2, then their equivalent resistance or equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance. E equivalent and R equivalent. These two you have to find out. But before finding these two, you first know about the EMF. EMF of cell. EMF meaning is electromotive force. But it is a misleading concept. It is not a electromotive force. It is not a force. It is a work done. It is a work done. Or it measures the potential. Suppose here I am giving one diagram. This is a cell and it is connected to a voltmeter, and this is the open circuit and it is connected to a external resistance R. So in case of open circuit, this is a open circuit. In open circuit, the voltmeter reads EMF of cell. EMF of cell. But in closed circuit, suppose the circuit is closed. In closed circuit, when the circuit is closed, then a current drop from the cell. R is the resistance, so a potential across this resistance will be also considered. So the total potential read by this voltmeter is, that is E equal to total potential or total current I equal to total EMF by total resistance. So this is total current I equal to total EMF E by total resistance. Internal resistance represented by R. R is the internal resistance. So small r is internal resistance and capital R external resistance. So this is I equal to small r plus capital R. Therefore E equal to I R plus I R. So look here, this is the potential difference. Potential difference V equal to I R across this resistance. So here E equal to V plus I R, small I R. So this is the formula which you have to use. So in this case, to find the equivalent EMF, let I current is flowing across this combination. So use here I equal to E1 plus or you can write E1 equal to V plus I R1 or potential across these two. Let this is V1. Similarly, E2 equal to V2 plus I R2. This is 1 and this is 2. And when both cells are connected in series, when both cells are connected in series, then there will be a equivalent EMF. So this is E equivalent and this is R equivalent. So here E equivalent will be V plus I R equivalent. This is equation 3. And now add the equation 1 and 2. On adding equation 1 and 2. So you will get E1 plus E2 equal to V1 plus V2 plus I R1 plus R2. Now compare the result with equation number 3. Compare the result of equation 4 with equation number 3. So on comparing equation 3 and 4, you will get E equivalent equal to E1 plus E2 and R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. So this is the equivalent of these two cells are connected in series. Similarly, when two cells are connected in parallel, when two cells are connected in parallel, so for parallel grouping, two cells are connected in parallel. This is for parallel grouping. Let EMF of this cell is E1, EMF of this cell is E2, internal resistance of this cell is R1, internal resistance of this cell is R2, and let I current is flowing from here, this side I1 current and this side I2 current. So here you can write the EMF, use the formula using E1 equal to V plus I1 R1. E1 equal to V plus I1 R1. Similarly, from here you find out I1. So I1 equal to E1 minus V by R1. Or you can write E1 by R1 minus V by R1. Similarly, I2 equal to E2 by R2 minus V by R2. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now I equal to I1 plus I2. So this is equal to E1 by R1 minus V by R1 plus E2 by R2 minus V by R2. So now you can write I equal to E1 and E2. E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 and minus V 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So now you can write I equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 R2. This is, and minus V, this is R1 plus R2 by R1 R2. Like that. And after that you write down V eliminate from here. So you can write now E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 R2 equal to, this is I I plus V R1 plus R2 by R1 R2. So this term can be written as, this is I R1 R2 plus V R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2. So here this R1 R2 cancel. So now E1 R2 plus E2 R1 equal to I R1 R2 plus V R1 plus R2. Or you can write E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2 equal to I R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus V. So now just to compare this equation, or you can write, or this is equal to V plus I R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Now compare the equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now comparing the equation number 3 and 4. On comparing equation 3 and 4. So you are getting E equivalent equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2, and R equivalent equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So in this way you will find the equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance of cell. Now next term is mobility. Mobility. What is the meaning of mobility? Mobility of electron. Drift velocity per unit. Drift velocity per unit electric field. Per unit electric field is called mobility. Mobility of electron. So that is mu equal to, mu represent for mobility. So mu equal to drift velocity Vd by E. This is the formula. Or now you can use using Vd equal to E by m into tau. So mu equal to E by m into tau divided by E. So this is cancelled. You are getting E by m into tau. So mobility is directly proportional to relaxation time. So this is the mobility of electron. Now you write the grouping of resistances. Grouping of resistances. There are two grouping like the cell. There are two grouping of resistances. Grouping of resistance. There are two grouping. First is series and second is parallel. Parallel grouping. In series grouping, two resistors are connected like that. This is for series grouping. Let resistance of this one R and this is R2. So these two resistors were AB and BC, and it is connected to a potential difference, potential of V volt. This is V volt. So potential across V1, R1, V1, potential across R2, V2. When the current is flowing through this grouping, so the same current will flow through R1 and R2. But the potential varies. So total potential V equal to V1 plus V2. And use the formula V equal to I R1 plus I R2, I common R1 plus R2, V equal to, or V upon I equal to R1 plus R2. V is the total potential, I is the total current. So total potential by total current is called total resistance. So this is R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. So this is for series grouping. When the two resistances are connected in series, then equivalent resistance will be R1 plus R2. Similarly, for n resistor, you can write for n resistors connected in series, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus so on, N R, like that. So now second in parallel grouping. Parallel grouping. Suppose two resistances are connected in parallel. This is the parallel grouping. This is parallel grouping. It is connected to a potential V volt. So let I current is coming from here. So here is a junction. The current get distributed across resistance R1 and R2. So let here I1 resistance is coming, rest of the resistance current I2 coming across it, and then both meet together, then I current flow through it. And potential across these two end of conductor is V. Let this potential is V, that is equivalent to total potential. Here there is no distribution of potential but current distributed. So total current I equal to I1 plus I2. And I1 here potential is V, resistance R1, current I1. So all three are related. I1 equal to V by R1. Similarly, I2 equal to V by R2. So V common 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So you can write I upon V equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. I is the total current and V is the total potential. So that is equivalent to 1 by total resistance, 1 by R, that equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So that R represents the equivalent resistance, where R is the equivalent resistance. So this equivalent resistance R will be equivalent to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So this is for parallel grouping for two resistors. Similarly, you can find for n resistance also. So this is for series and parallel grouping.